Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how you can make a bank transfer on Wise. So by the end of this video, you're going to know the ins and outs of Wise and how to make a bank transfer on it. If you do want to make a bank account with Wise as well, you can use the referral link in my description to be able to use Wise whenever you like. Now, if you want to make a bank transfer, you're going to go into the Wise interface. This can be found on an iOS and Android or also on PC as well. You're going to press the send money. Now, Wise has got international and the same currency. So to make it easier for us to understand, because we want to make a bank transfer, let's go same currency. Pick the amount of money that you want to send to a specific user. And then you're going to choose to send it to either yourself, someone else, business or charity. Then you're going to put their email address. Then you're going to go into your local bank account. Now you're going to put the full name of their account. You're going to put their sort code and their account number. Once that is finished, you're going to press confirm. Then it's going to ask you some security questions, and then that money will come in seconds to the recipient. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.